What's the meaning of aconite? Aconite. 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 Aconite refers to a plant of the buttercup family that typically has blue or purple flowers and is poisonous. Its root contains aconitine, a highly toxic alkaloid that can cause respiratory or cardiac failure if ingested in large enough quantities. The poison also acts as a nerve stimulant, causing tingling or numbness around the mouth and other parts of the body. In traditional Chinese medicine, aconite is used as an analgesic and for treating rheumatism, but it must be carefully prepared and administered by a trained practitioner. Overall, aconite is a dangerous substance that should not be used without proper knowledge and precautions.